Hi, boys and girls. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. The beginning of our lesson for iTime this week is going to be focused on letter formation. Our goal is that you're forming your letters properly. So let me get my camera readjusted and we will begin. Friends, please be sure you have something to write on. If you have lined trainer paper similar to mine, that would be ideal. If not, someone can possibly help you create dots in the middle of your line that will help with this lesson. We'll be using our high frequency words from Wonders Unit 4 Week 4, starting with find. Find. It's spelled F. Pay attention to how I'm forming. I started at the top, went to the bottom, and then crossed from left to right. So top to bottom, left to right. I'm starting in the middle, going down to the fence with the dot. The N starts at the dotted line, goes down to the fence, comes back up and makes a hump. And then the letter D, it's actually going to start out like a letter C. Look at that. And then it's going to close and become a D from the top to the bottom. Find. The next word is food. So I start hook, come up and down. So F is one of the few lowercase letters that your pencil picks up in the middle of making. The letter O starts as a C and closes. Notice that the C starts here, okay, and then it comes up at an angle to the dot. All of the letters sit on the fence, and then it comes back up and closes. There's another O in food. And then the D, we're going to make a C, and then an O, and then we come all the way up to the wire and back down to the fence. Food. The next word is more. We're going to start at the top left of the letter at the dotted line down to the fence. Notice I didn't pick up my pencil. More. Notice how I make my O. Make sure you're making your letters just like me. More. The R comes down, pen stays touching, hook. And then the E, it actually starts here, comes out, comes up, and finishes like a C. More. Then we have the word over. Over. Long O for over. We'll be talking about that in the second part of our lesson today. V, E, R. Over. The next word is start. So the letter S starts where the C starts. The S starts right here and it comes up at an angle. Hook, hook. T, start at the wire, down to the fence, and cross left to right. A, start like a C. Close it up, make an O, but come to the middle line and then bring the tail straight down. R, start at the dotted line, go to the fence, come up to the dotted line and make a hook. And then a T, top to bottom, left to right. You know what I love about using a pencil or a dry erase marker? When I make something that I don't like, I can fix it very easily. It's a little bit challenging because I'm actually looking at my camera to be able to see the right angle. So it's kind of funky using the camera this way. Okay, here's a better S. I come up and hook. Okay, The final word is warm. Warm. The W starts at the dotted line, down to the fence, up to the dotted line, and then one more time. W, A. Do you spot the C in it? Down to the fence, R. M. Notice how slow I'm going. Do you see that? Take your time when you're forming your letters. Boys and girls, that is it for the warm-up part of our lesson today. I hope that your penmanship is looking really, really nice and that your letter formation is just like we want it to be.